Welcome back to my channel, Shades of Steph. Today we have another unboxing slash try on depending on what I got in my May Boxy Charm box. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so then you'll be notified of my future video uploads. Otherwise, without further ado, let's get started. Of course, we always get a pamphlet, and this month's theme is flourish, so very flowery, very spring. Of course, matches my shirt, so I'm definitely with it this time. And on the back of the card, it has a description of all of the products that I'm going to receive in my box. So let's dive on in. So first we have the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So this was my choice for the month. You have an option of 2 products that will for sure be in your box, and this is the one that I wanted because I can always use an Epic Night Cream because my skin is dry, it's sensitive, and I need all the repairing that I can get while I am sleeping. So this night cream is a detoxify and revitalize your skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants to neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. Again, love it. Always looking for something that will definitely hydrate my skin. So this is what it looks like. Great size. Oh, okay. It looks like it's one of those ones that you just like pump the top. There we go. Let's try a little of that. It's definitely very thick, so really good for dry skin. And of course, Murad products are awesome for anti-aging, so I'm very excited that I got this. It's taking a little bit to just kind of sink into the skin, but again, creams are going to take a little bit longer. One of those things I'm probably going to have to do a little earlier in my night routine, meaning not right before I go to bed, because you don't want to like lay on your pillow and have it absorb into it. So you want to let it be able to set onto your skin before laying down. So after rubbing it in for a little bit, it definitely absorbed into the skin right away, and it just leaves it really soft and hydrated. So I'm very excited to see what this is going to do to my skin, and I might do another review maybe after like 30 days of use just to see any of the benefits that came from using the product. So next we have the Cab Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. So here are the colors, and of course they are beautiful. I can definitely see the day to night looks that I can create here. A lot of metallics, a lot of matte colors, so very excited we'll get tons of use out of this. So just based on the card's description, this palette is a new formula and it has new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for more intense nighttime looks. So at the end, after we go through the products in the box, we will go ahead and try some of these on and see what look we can create. Alright, next we have Lavish Essential Eye Collection, and it contains 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle and dramatic looks, and it's a pack of 5 of all different sizes, which is great. Let's take it out of the package. Let's see. Oh, super soft. This one, great density on here. This one, because it is slanted, would be great for eyeliners, would be great to just really have precise lines on your eyeshadows. Very excited. Love getting brushes because I feel like you can never have too many because they all come in different sizes, different densities, softness, I mean, you name it. So very excited for more of those. Okay, I definitely saw this when I opened the box first, and of course it's a Drybar, the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. I love Drybar products. I've only gotten my hair blown out there one time before. Just blowouts don't really last in my hair very long because I have very fine hair, so it just tends to go limp the next day. However, I have their hair conditioning mist. I have multiples of their dry shampoos. I've used their shampoos and conditioners before, so I do really love their products. So I'm actually very excited to get a heat protectant mist because this will come in handy, and I actually just ran out of my most recent one, and it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great. And it's perfect for heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons. This is great. I love the smell of their products. I'm such a smells person. So I want to spray this and try it out. I feel like it just has that signature Drybar smell, and if you've been there, like in the salon, you just know what it smells like. It's kind of like a very like floral, just a very nice scent to it. Last but not least, we have the Mellow Cosmetics lip gloss. So it says to get ready and spice up your lips. This ultra glossy, non-sticky formula has a unique, smooth feel. It can be worn alone or over any lipstick with the added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil. The Saint Tropez shade is the perfect mauve, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. So let's open this. Let's see what color we have. Ooh, okay, very neutral shade, so I'm already loving this. This tends to be the color of like lipstick that I use. So this actually is a really nice dark shade, and I'm very curious to see what it looks like as a gloss, or if this can really substitute as a lipstick depending on how pigmented it is. So we will go ahead and try this on along with the eyeshadows. Alright, so I think for this look I'm going to stick in this area of the palette to start. I'm really liking this Georgia Peach color. For some reason it is just like standing out to me. So we're going to try that first and continue on. Alright, so using the Georgia Peach, I'm just going to start on the crease area just to kind of see what we're working with as far as pigment. And of course a good wiper blade motion is perfect. I bring it up a little past the brow bone too, mostly keeping it in the crease area. Let's start adding in some of the this burnt orange color. I'm gonna keep this more towards the outside of my eye, kind of focusing more in the corner, bringing it up to like blend in right above the crease area, and then of course going right under the brow bone. So that's what it looks like so far, which I think it looks actually really, really pretty. I want to go in with Sunset right on top, and I want to focus that right on top of the Georgia Peach. I think it'll give it a very pretty illuminating effect. So I'm going to go in with our little pointed dense brush that we got in the box, and I'm just going to go in and get really close to the corner. I'm really liking this color, Sunset. It's such a pretty like pinky peachy color. I think it just brings the burnt orange and Georgia Peach together so nicely. I'm going to go back in with the burnt orange color and just kind of line the bottom of my eyes just to kind of bring it all in together and smoke it out a little bit. Now we'll see how close I can get to the lash line. I do have mascara on right now, so it gets in the way just a little, but I think we should be okay. Alright, so this is the look that we got with the first eye. We used 3 different colors, and I think it turned out super pretty. Not overly dramatic, but definitely gives you that pop of color that just brings all the attention to your eyes. So we will go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so here is our finished eye look using this palette. I did notice when I was finishing up the second eye, it just looked a little too orangey to me. And I wanted to really bring in some of the pink colors from the palette. So I went in with Twinkle Twinkle here, just on the inner corner, and I think it just brought out enough pink and enough sparkle to really tie the whole look together. So I think it turned out really, really pretty. Let's go ahead and add the lip gloss we got. It may not match this whole look, but we'll see what we can do. Wow, okay, so this is, for a lip gloss, this is very pigmented. I would almost think this is like a liquid lipstick. And I'm really liking the color too. I thought it was gonna be a lot darker than I was expecting. So the package said you can layer this over a lipstick, but I feel like because it's so pigmented, I would just leave it on its own. It's such a beautiful color, not sticky, and it really is a nice gloss. Thank you guys for joining me for another unboxing of Boxy Charm. I always love these, they're super fun, and a lot of surprises come with it because I never actually know what I'm going to get in the box except for one item. So appreciate you guys joining me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Make sure to also follow this face on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you all next time.